guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kiley Pyle, so welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe, comment what I should do next, comment what you think of the video, whatever you guys want to do. So I'm so sorry, I literally just got out of the shower and my face is like breaking out with something. I have a rash. I don't know if it's from different moisturizers I've been using, but my skin has been really sensitive lately, so I'm not sure why. But this week has been so hectic, like it's been so busy. So today I just want to kind of keep the video today a little simple. For so many people I know don't really realize how much bacteria they leave on their makeup brushes. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys my technique of what I do to clean my makeup brushes. Because if you don't clean them, the bacteria goes on your face and it can lead to breakouts. So let's get into the video. So this is just kind of where I keep my makeup brushes, but as you can see, like, hold on, they are so dirty. Like, let that focus. It'll focus. It's not focusing. It's so, I don't know why I'm so shaky right now, I apologize, but it's so dirty. Like, all the foundation that's on it, it's just so gross. So I'm going to show you guys how to clean them better so all this doesn't get on your face. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and laid out all my brushes. I usually normally just go with a Dawn dish soap, and then I also use an oil-free eye makeup remover. It's by Neutrogena. It works really well, and it even removes waterproof mascara. And then I have a glass little bowl. I'm not really sure where I got this from. And then I laid out all my brushes. They're all so dirty, especially this one, since I haven't had, I don't know why I'm so shaky, guys. It's just always happening. But I don't even know why I always use this one to lay out my foundation. It's because I don't have a beauty blender right now because like I kind of ripped it. But anyways, I'm just going to show you guys how to clean them. But there's so many methods that you can use. So there's no specific method that you really have to use. So with this glass bowl, I just take the Dawn and then I pour in maybe like that much. And then with my oil-free makeup remover, I pour in like a little bit. Because you don't want to do too much, because a little bit goes a long way. And then I kind of just mix it with water. So I fill it in. I put the water really hot. And it's all like bubbly. I don't even know if you guys can see that. So first I'm just going to do this one. What I do is I go in and I like kind of mix it with the brush. And as you can see, it's so dirty. I haven't cleaned my makeup brushes in a while. I've been needing to do that forever. Normally you're supposed to do that, like clean them like once a week, but if you can't, obviously, because some people just don't have the time, try to clean them as often as you possibly can so that bacteria doesn't get on your face. So after you rinse it in here, I normally just take a little bit of hand soap. It's like this lavender soap, and I put some on the brush. Let me like try to squeeze it. There we go. So I put it a little bit on the brush, as you can see, and then I just take my hand and I swirl it like this and kind of just get more out. So I kind of use my hands as like a little makeup board, because there's no point to just spend money when you can kind of do it the cheap. And I just do it on my fingers to kind of get in between the bristles, because the makeup can go all the way up to here and you don't want that because you don't want your bristles to fall out. So I just take it and I just wash it. As you can see, it's like already getting so much cleaner. And I just move it around like that. And then after, I just rinse it in warm water. I will go ahead and put it on my hands again too. Turn the water off. And there, it's like super clean now, and there's no bacteria, so it will be perfectly fine for your face now. So after I clean it, I normally just take it and I just like swirl it around on the towel that I just laid out. and I kind of just dab it because you don't want to like super like wipe it. And I just clean the handle and I lay it there to dry. So moving on to the next. With the big ones, you want to just like, it soaks up so much. As you can see, like the water was like way up here. So with the big ones, you might have to refill your bowl, which is perfectly okay because I have a lot of makeup brushes. Well, not a whole lot, but you still want to be able to. And I just squeeze it out. You still want to be able to wash your big ones as your little ones because your big ones tend to hold more bacteria. So I kind of just go around with my hand to kind of drain it all out. And then that's when I squeeze it with this dish soap, or hand soap. Excuse me, I can't talk today, guys. And then I get a little wet. And then I just go about it in my hand again. These big ones tend to have like a lot of my powder on them. So it kind of goes like way in there. Which is okay because this is why we're going to clean it. If you don't wash out the soap right away, it will stay in there and it can make your brushes like, I don't even know how to talk today, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm really tired. But if you leave it in, it will ruin your brush and it will tend to like not last as long as it normally will if you take care of them. And then I dab it some more. Sorry. And then you can see that it's like so much cleaner. And then I leave it there to dry. So this brush is probably the dirtiest brush I have. It's super dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead, mix it. You can kind of see the water changing colors because of how dirty it is. Some brushes may tend to take longer to clean than others because of the buildup that is on them. So since I kind of showed you guys how to do bigger brushes, I'm going to move on to smaller brushes, which is so much easier to clean and so much faster. So here I have this one, and I'm just going to mix it around my water. It's okay if it stays dirty water, because you're just going to end up cleaning it with the hand soap. So then I take the hand soap, oops, and you just clean it super fast. And then you want to go in between your fingers. It kind of tickles. And then you can already see like the product is already out. And then you just have to rinse it so the soap doesn't stay on your bristles, because again, that's not good for them. And then it's perfectly clean now. might be a little harder to clean them since they're just so short for bristles. I usually just clean them the same way, even though they're different. But instead, I do hand soap like clear across. So like that. And then I just clean it. So you want to move it around your hand for a little bit so like it can just really get in there to clean. And I do it like to the side on my fingers and up and down. And then it's like cleaner. So after you're all done, you just leave them on this towel to dry. Excuse me. And then I usually leave them to dry for about an hour before I put them back at my vanity where I use them. So that's pretty much it, guys. So that is going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like. Comment for what I should do for the next videos. I feel like that's a little more easier way to clean makeup brushes, so I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you until next time. Bye!